Hello, you beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Lucy Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new, please don't forget to hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up because it really helps out my channel, and turn that notification bell on because I'm uploading all the time, like literally back to back at the moment. And today we have a massive makeup haul that I've kind of completely separated from Makeup Revolution, because my Makeup Revolution haul that I've done, or that is coming up, I'm not too sure which order I'm putting it all up, is from like before I even got my job at Revolution. So it's got like loads of stuff in it that I kind of bought over time, and it was just too big of a haul, and I thought, you know what, I'm just going to do them completely separate. So this is everything that I've bought that isn't Revolution recently and since my last one of these. So there's quite a lot, to be fair, but not too much at the same time, considering how long of a time it's been since my last one of these. But let's just get straight into it because I have a lot to go through. So I'm going to start off with this. So this is some ISO Clean that I bought for the first time recently. I managed to do, in case anyone's wondering, you can do like a pro membership with them where you can sign up as somebody. Say if you do like social media, YouTube and stuff like that, you can sign up and make your own account to get 50% off. And you do like this online hygiene course. It does take quite a while to do, but it's obviously definitely worth it because you get to get it for half price. And this is what I've been using to clean my makeup brushes. So yeah, absolutely love this, worth every penny, and I will definitely be buying it again in the future. It's going to be my go-to one because you don't need obviously to use water, so it's very quick and easy to do. And then I don't even know where to start. So let's start with this little bag here. So I bought this bundle on Depop of makeup brushes. Oh my god, there's so many in here. I think I paid like I think it was like £25 including postage or something. Oh my god, I can't even get them all out. There's absolutely loads, and I'm sure I've actually pinched some of them out of here when I've been running out of like eyeshadows for looks. But there's literally loads. I get the other handful. There's absolutely loads in here. I can see some of them are dirty, so I've definitely used some of them and put them back in so I can film this video. But we have loads of different brands in here. We have Morphe, we have AOA, I don't even know what that is. We've got some like bigger ones, which it was more the eye brushes that I was particularly bothered about. But we have like Zoeva, Morphe, another Zoeva one, loads of Morphe. I think these ones are Beauty Bay, Jessup, like just an absolutely, like there's Jaclyn Hill, like Morphe and Jaclyn Hill, like a massive array of brushes. Ta-da! Yeah, absolute bargain. Literally can't go wrong with that. So buzzing with that little Depop find for like 20 odd quid, especially considering some of the Zoeva brushes themselves can be like near £10 each for a brush, which is just ridiculous. It's like a brush at the end of the day. But yeah, that is all of them that I picked up. I also bought this off one of my Patreons. This is a little melt stack. So this is what it looks like. So it has the black, then it has that one. I think it's like the rust stack if I remember rightly. I don't know, I might be making that up to be honest with you. I'm not too sure, but it's a little melt stack, and she sold me it for like dirt cheap. I've always wanted a melt stack from back when I worked at House of Fraser, so you can know how long ago that was because that was when I was doing my degree. I have a master's and another postgraduate qualification since then, and I had a break for a couple of years from uni as well, so it just shows how long ago it was that I was doing my degree, many moons ago. I also bought this off one of my patrons as well. This is the Laura Mercier translucent loose setting powder. This is the glow one. If you are wondering anything at all to do with my Patreon, I have got a video explaining all down below on how to join, and a link for you to join as well. It literally starts at £1 a month. It's like an exclusive community where we all just like talk every single day. They help me like to vote for certain videos and stuff like that. We share like all of our deliveries in there as well. So yeah, I always share like if there's a brand new collection from Revolution, once it goes live on the website, I always share like close-up pictures and videos of stuff so people can see exactly what colours things are as well. So yeah, if you want to join, it's all linked down below. But I bought this off one of my patrons. So in my Patreon, Bryony's, Alex's and Lizzie, we've all joined together to make a makeup sales group chat, which is basically where we all sell our makeup to each other. We do auctions and just normal kind of selling, and I got this in an auction for £3. It's been used once, it's full size, £3. The postage actually cost me more than it was for the product. So yeah, absolutely buzzing with that. Many moons ago, Doll Beauty were doing a thing where you paid, I think it was like a mystery bag, must have been, I think it was like a mystery bag for like £10. So I picked one up for just to get some other stuff, but also to put things into giveaways for you beautiful people as well, because if it isn't already up, there should be a giveaway coming soon, because we are doing so well, like subscriber wise. So it's like my way of saying like thank you for subscribing and for watching and stuff. So that'll be coming very soon. So we have a Shine Bright highlighter. I love their highlighters. We have the medium deep bronzer. We also have a pair of lashes, the Jerry lashes, and then we have a tub of fake tan as well. This one is medium golden glow. Apparently their fake tan is amazing, so I definitely want to try that. So that costs £10, which is really good, because a pair of lashes themselves cost £10, so like, can't really complain with that, you know what I mean? So I've organised this little tub full of things that I've bought over time. So let's just get straight into it. I've bought a couple of Vive stuff recently. So I've done a full review on the bronzer if you want to go check it out, but I've also picked up 2 blushes. The bronzer I got from, I think it was Cult Beauty that I ended up ordering it from. Oh, can't get comfy. That's a bit better. So yeah, I think it was Cult Beauty, and I went for the shade medium, which just looks like this. This has been literally put to the side, I would say, for weeks and weeks and weeks whilst I've been waiting to film this video. I have missed this in my collection. I can't wait to put it back into my makeup drawers next to me. I absolutely love it. Like I said, I've got a full video reviewing it anyway, so I'll leave that linked down below. But I also picked up 2 blushes from Depop, which were, again, absolute bargains. Can't remember how much I paid for them, but they were brand new. This one is Cherub, and then this one is Pesca, which is the beautiful, oh my god, orangey one. So again, can't wait to put them back into my collection, because I don't actually think I've tried them yet, because I've not had chance to. They've been in this like little pile. I've also picked up 3 MAC lipsticks. These were on offer on ASOS, so it's like reduced, and then you could also use a discount code on top. So I got these for like dirt cheap. Can't remember how much I paid for them because it was that long ago. But I got Creme Your Coffee, Peach Blossom, and then Rebel. I've always wanted Rebel and just never got around to buying it. So yeah, I picked up them 3 and looking forward to putting them into my lipstick drawer, because I haven't had a chance to play with them yet. I got this Unreal bundle on Depop where I think it was like £12 plus postage, and you literally got the Revolution Body Veil foundation, you got 2 of the MUA foundations, you got, I think it was 2 of these as well, the eraser ones, and you got one of these, and you got 2 e.l.f. ones, but the e.l.f. ones look like they've been used. And like when it comes to like concealers and stuff where you put it directly on your face, I don't like to buy them off like Depop and stuff. Like shadows I'm happy with, foundations I'm happy with, because you can just, obviously you just put that on your back of your hand and then apply it. It hasn't got like an applicator built into it. But yeah, I actually got rid of the other 2 because I just wasn't feel comfortable like using them. But yeah, you got literally all of this for like £10 something. I think it was like £10-12 plus postage, so absolute bargain. I've done a full video testing this and showing you what it's like, so if you wonder anything about that, then I will leave that linked down below. Let me know if you want to do the same with the MUA one, because I haven't like properly tried that. But yeah, absolute bargain off Depop. Another bargain that I got off Depop is all of these NYX milky glosses. If you know me, I am obsessed with milk. I absolutely love it. I don't know what it is about milk. Oh my god, I just love it. I could drink it all day. I remember when I was a kid, like my dad would take me to like the seaside, we'd get on the bus, we'd be on the bus for like 2 hours, we'd have like Nutella like sandwiches, like chocolate spread sandwiches, and we'd have like a pint of milk each, and like I just love that. Yeah, I just love milk. So these milky glosses seemed right up my street, so I picked up a bundle of these off Depop, and I think it was like, I don't know, maybe £20-30 in my eyeball, but these are like £10 each. So I picked up all of them. So you want me to do like a kind of swatching video? I think there was one that I was missing, so I ended up just going to Superdrug and buying it as well. So yeah, let me know if you want to do like a lip swatch video on that, because I'd be more than happy to do that for you. I've also bought the Glowish Skin Tint from Huda Beauty. I bought this off my friend Carly. So this is just what it looks like. This is in the shade number 2 Fair Light. I've also picked up this bad boy from Depop. I think I got this for like £6 plus postage or £5 plus postage, something dirt cheap like that. This is the EX1 Invisiwear Liquid Foundation. I've always wanted to try this, and I got mine in the shade 2. So again, let me know if you want me to do any kind of videos on any of these. Off Depop again, I also picked up, actually I think the bronze is from Depop. I'm sure I got the blusher off a Patreon. Did I? I'm sure I got the blush off a Patreon. So yeah, the first one that I picked off Depop is the liquid bronzer. This one's in the shade Beach Vibes. I'm going to put that straight into my collection. And then we have the liquid blusher from Iconic as well. This one is in the shade Rose Riot, and I'm going to put that straight in my collection as well. Another Depop bag, and this was back in the day when I was obsessed with Depop. Like, I don't really go on it as much now because I got addicted and was buying all sorts of bargains that I just couldn't say no to. And one of them was the brand new, or the word brand new back then, Be Perfect liquid lipsticks. So there's like loads of funky colours with this, as you can see, for liquid lipsticks. They're all brand new, they're all sealed, and I got these for, oh my god, I want to say I got them all for like something crazy, like £15, £10 plus postage. I know I definitely didn't pay more than £20 for these. I watched Mrs. video of her swatching them all, and I was like, oh, they're really nice. They'd be really good for like changing up my lips and stuff, and I'm doing like lip combos. And then I saw them on Depop, and I was like, I cannot say no to that. That is a bargain. Another bargain that I picked up from Made by Mitchell is all of his blushes. These were all of them when he first launched them. He's brought out a lot more since. He's brought out like 3 more, and then he's also brought out like the Milky collection now too. But they had an offer on Mitchell's thingy where you paid so much and you got a bundle of the liquid blushes, and so yeah, I picked up all of them too. I also got this, which I haven't done a full video unboxing because by the time that it came, it was like old news, and then by the time it came to me being able to film my video on it, it was like super old news. I just thought I'd show you it in this haul instead. So this is the Glossybox Huda beauty box, and this is what the inside looks like. This retailed for £30. I can't remember how much it was worth inside though. Let me see if it tells me. Okay, I don't think it tells me how much it's worth, but I can tell you what each product is worth. So the first thing that we have in it is the Hydra Plumping Lip Balm. This one retails for £18. We also had a Sand Haze Obsessions palette, which I'll show you because I do already have it, and I sold it to my patron, one of my patrons, to Adele for dirt cheap because I already have it. Love it. I've done a video using it and trying it anyway. This is what it looks like. Absolutely beautiful. So that retails normally for £27. So I was just going to sell it on Depop, and Adele said she wanted it, so I just sold it to Adele instead. And then we also have the Huda Beauty Double-Ended Mascara, so that retails for £24. And we have the full-size Glow Cocoa Hydrating Mist, which retails for £30, which is crazy for a mist. And then last but not least, the one that probably interested me the most, this is the Lip Contour 2.0 in Pinky Brown, and this retails for £17. If this is amazing, I don't know what I'm going to do because I can't pay £17 for a lip liner. Like, that is crazy. And you also get a sample of the Wishful Enzyme Scrub and a sample of the Luminous Matte Foundation as well. So that is what is in that one, because I just didn't have chance to show you what was inside it. And then we still have another pile of things for me to show you. And to be honest with you, I actually think, oh no, not everything, majority of the stuff in this pile is from Depop, because again, I went through a stage where I was just on it every single day. Like Alex said to me, she's like, Lucy, you're literally living on Depop. And I was like, I know, I can't help it. I was like I just totally got sucked into the hype of it, but hey ho. So the first 2 things that I got in a little bundle together are from ColourPop. I need to do a video on these because this is stunning. Oh, this is beautiful. So this is the High Tide monochrome palette. Oh my god, I'm sorry, but that is gorgeous. And then we also have the Lush Life one as well. I got these for like under £10 odd each. That's just what it looks like. Beautiful. I also bought this off one of my patrons as well. Who did I buy this off? Was it Rebecca? I'm sure I bought some brushes off Rebecca, but I think I must have put them away. I must have used them once because I must have been desperate for brushes. But I'm sure I bought some brushes off Rebecca, and then she was selling this as well, so I was like, oh, I'll just add it to my my parcel. I'll buy that as well. So this is the BH Cosmetics Blueberry Muffin palette that everyone raves about. So I was like, yeah, I'm going to have to get that. I also got this bad boy, again, Depop, £10, brand new, Too Faced, the Natural Nude palette. I want to get the W7 rip-off version of this, like the dupe version of it, because then I can do a comparison video for you to compare the two, and you can see which one you need to buy, whether it's this one or the W7 one. So let me know if you want me to do that, because I actually have some like gift vouchers that W7 give me for doing some work for them, so I can definitely pick that up. We also have this bad boy, again, a Depop find. I just couldn't help myself. I think it was £6 and 2 colours had been used. I'm sorry, I couldn't resist that. So this is the Sample Beauty Plush palette, and that is just what, oh my god, I'm sorry. That is what she looks like. She is beautiful. Oh my god. Oh my god. I think I have used that once since. Another Depop bag in that I got. Honestly, I went through a stage, like a massive stage of just loving Depop. But this is the ABH Norvina. This is the volume 3 one. And I think I got this for like £23 or something like that. Might not even been that much, was it? I don't know. I got it for dirt cheap. But this is just what it looks like. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I only actually have 2 of these palettes. I have this one and the baby pink one. The other ones, apart from the brand new one that they've brought out, the other ones don't really have like a colour story that gets me excited. That was like literally that one, the baby pink one, and the brand new one that they brought out that I really like. But I haven't found the brand new one on Depop at a price that I'm happy with yet, so we shall wait. And then the last 2 are not Depop finds. These ones that I bought from P. Louise and from Be Perfect. So the first one is the P. Louise All I See Is Signs palette. I bought this many moons ago to do a video on. Have I done a video on it yet? No. Welcome to my life. This is how it goes. Like, I have such good intentions, and then there's only so many days that I can upload. Like, it annoys me that I can only upload. I can upload more than once on YouTube, but it's just not realistic for me to do. But I wish I could upload more, because I would upload more than once a day if I could. But this is what she looks like. Packaging is unreal. I mean, it's P. Louise. Need I say any more? So that is what that looks like, and I bought that on launch. So it just shows how long I've been sitting waiting to film this video for. And then this bad boy, again, haven't done a video on it, and I bought the last Be Perfect launch before this one. I never got around to doing a video on it as well. I'm a nightmare for it. I need to sort myself out. Let's be serious. But yeah, this is what the Be Perfect, is it Skeptra palette looks like. But to be honest with you, I saw some people that I follow on YouTube do reviews on it, and were being completely honest about what the formula was like, just giving like a normal honest review. And like, they got bloody attacked by Vivian and Vivian's partner for it. It was weird. It put me off wanting to film with it, if I'm honest with you. But this is just what it looks like. So it has a face bit on this side, like larger shades, and then it has the smaller shades, like the normal size shades, on this side. So yeah, if there's anything in this haul that you are desperate for me to film a video on, please let me know, because I don't know how to prioritise things unless it's a new launch that I prioritise first. I don't know where to begin with the rest of my stuff that I've got that I need to film with. So please, please, please let me know. And hopefully we'll see you in another video very, very soon. Most likely tomorrow, because let's be serious, it's me. And I've got so many videos I need to get up. So hopefully I will see you tomorrow. Thank you so much to my patrons being so loving and just being you and just being mint. If you want to join my Patreon community, I will leave it all linked down below. Starts as little as £1 a month, and I have a video explaining the whole thing down below as well. But yeah, thank you so much. I will hopefully see you in a new video very, 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 very soon. Bye.